I like working from home. I enjoy quiet mornings. I start work early. I check my emails. I plan my tasks. I need to buy food. I make a shopping list. I go to the store. I choose fresh vegetables. I pick ripe fruits. I eat fruits every day. I buy healthy snacks. I carry the grocery bags. I reach home safely. I wash the vegetables. I store food properly. I make coffee at home. I boil some water. I grind coffee beans. I enjoy hot coffee. I take short breaks. I stretch my arms. I drink enough water. I focus on work. I finish my meetings. I complete my tasks. I take lunch break. I eat simple lunch. I rest for a while. I resume my work. I reply to messages. I join online calls. I meet deadlines. I feel productive today. I end work calmly. I cook dinner for my family. I chop the vegetables. I heat the pan. I add some spices. I stir the food. I set the table. I serve warm dinner. I eat with family. I enjoy family time. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wipe the counter. I take out trash. I relax after dinner. I watch some news. I talk with family. I plan for tomorrow. I check my budget. I will pay the bill. I'll pay the total bill. I save money monthly. I track my expenses. I feel thankful today. I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I change my clothes. I set my alarm. I read a little. I turn off lights. I lie on bed. I feel calm now. I think about work. I feel proud today. I sleep peacefully. I wake up refreshed. I start a new day. I stay organized. I work with focus. I keep learning daily. I manage time well. I stay healthy daily. I eat balanced meals. I enjoy home life. I like simple routines.